In this video, I will show you how to fix Roblox not launching or not responding on a Windows computer. Open your web browser and go to status.roblox.com. If you see all systems operational with a green status, it means the Roblox servers are working properly, so the issue is likely on your computer. The first thing you should do is restart your PC. This closes any background apps or processes that could be preventing Roblox from launching. Once your computer restarts, try running Roblox as an administrator. Simply right-click the Roblox player shortcut and select Run as Administrator. If Roblox still won't open, the next step is to reinstall it. Open the Start menu, search for Add or Remove Programs, and open it. Search for Roblox, click the three dots next to it, and select Uninstall. Confirm the removal. After uninstalling Roblox, open your web browser, search for Roblox Download, and download the latest Windows app from the official Roblox website. Once the download is complete, open the installer and follow the on-screen instructions to reinstall Roblox. For most users, reinstalling Roblox fixes the problem. Once the installation is complete, open Roblox, sign into your account, and check if the game launches normally. If Roblox still isn't working after trying all of these steps, the issue may be related to your antivirus, firewall, graphics drivers, or Windows installation. That's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to our channel